Hey everyone, this is Charles down at Steelhead Harley-Davidson. Welcome to another episode of Bike of the Week. And I actually don't work here at Steelhead, but I love this place so much, and I love my CVO so much, and they know it, that they asked me to say a few things about it. Today we're featuring this gorgeous 2026 Road Glide CVO ST in Inferno Gray. Check out this massive 121-inch V-twin. Puts out 127 horsepower with 145 foot-pounds of torque. Why go to Sturgis when you can bring Sturgis to your front door, brother? It's got this beautiful gloss black heavy breather out front, inverted front end, adjustable front and rear Showa suspension. This year for 26, they've put braided lines on those. I hope you have a nice wavy mullet, because your hair's going to be blowing back when you crank up these 500-watt amp powered Rockford Fosgate speakers. We got the beefy Brembo brakes, front and rear, with the waffle rotors. Stops on a dime. This paint, when there's no light on it, appears to just be a gray, but when the light hits it, you see a beautiful red metallic flake through. It's really nice. The front fender on this bike is forged carbon fiber, as is the console, and it even has a cowl at the back of the seat to give it that sporty look. The Screamin Eagle exhaust is high performance and also has the forged carbon fiber tip. But up front here, we got that smoked black chrome look to blend nicely into the gloss black cases on the engine. Inner fairing completely finished in gloss black. No detail on this bike is untouched or unfinished. You got two large cubbies that open up with a simple push. Store all your amenities up in them. Basically, if you're looking to party, brother, look no further. This is the sled for you. My favorite thing about this bike, up front you got that 12.3-inch Skyline entertainment screen. It has navigation, CarPlay, touch response, or button response. Check out your housing controls on this bike. They light up at night for you nighthawks. So guys, I actually own this bike, but the Street Glide version. Only difference is the fairing, same color. And I absolutely love this bike. I can't stop looking at the paint when the sun hits it. I can't stop cranking that throttle. It's so smooth, it's so capable, it's so fun. So basically guys and gals, if you're looking for a pristine ripper and a daytime gripper, come on down to Steelhead Harley-Davidson and take a look at this bike. You will not be disappointed.